Fix hanging or crashing apps in Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run SFC and DISM scans. Corrupted or damaged system files could be the primary reason for hanging and crashing apps. You can address this by running SFC and DISM scans via an elevated command prompt. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 2. Check time and date settings. Fix 3. Clear store cache. Fix 4. Reset Microsoft Store. Fix 5. Reset your apps. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.